Traders, last week was a battleground and now we're at a critical decision point. Did Friday's breakdown below 5,794 confirm the next leg lower, or are buyers gearing up for a comeback? Monday's attempt to push higher completely failed, wiped out in a matter of hours. By Tuesday, we were already testing key support and the rest of the week was a slow grind down. Sellers finally managed to hold below 5,794 on Friday, a key level that has been tested multiple times. Now, the big question. Do buyers have the firepower to reclaim lost ground, or is this just the beginning of a bigger move down? On the monthly profile, we see the 5,809 break on Tuesday has put us back in balance. Value area high aligns with February's range low, while price builds volumes below October's breakout range right here. The market has dropped an average of 313 points last week, showing aggressive selling. And on the 10-day volume profile, the POC shifted down 201 points down to 5,764, signaling a clear drop in value. ES cleared this September 10 POC, but stalled at September's 9 low, just above 5,671. If sellers push through, we could see deeper downside action. Going into the weekly volume profile, we are still one time framing down with a weekly high at 6,000.50, building volume between 5,845 and 5,731. Key levels to watch will be 5,906, which is September 10 POC, and 5,475, which is August 5 POC. The daily candles remain one-time framing down, also with a high at 5,791 and this next major low at 5,524 to take out from September 6th. Plenty of room for sellers to push lower with no clear sign of buyers stepping in just yet. On the 4-hour structure chart, the downtrend is intact, with a key breakdown at 5,794 and confirmed lower low break at 5,743. For ES to shift back into an uptrend, it must at least reclaim 5,999, which is the previous lower high. For now, the focus remains on whether price can reclaim and hold 5,794 to 5,811, or if sellers keep pressing lower. We are at a turning point. Either buyers fight back now or the next leg down begins. The structure is weak, momentum is building, and this week could set a tone for the rest of March. A detailed game plan will be posted tomorrow before the open across all socials. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. And if you want these breakdowns delivered straight to your inbox for free, check the link in the comments to sign up for my daily newsletter. I'll see you tomorrow.